All right, this section is going to be the best section to see if you can really apply what you've learned overall. So this is going to be a really good section for us to practice because it's going to require multiple conversion factors. So number 21 says the number of grams, we want to find the number of grams in 5.0 times 10 to the 24th molecules of H2O. So we know that there's 5.0 times 10 to the 24 molecules of H2O, and we want to know how many grams. So first thing we have to figure out is that we would need to get to the mole, because the mole is how we can transfer between different units. So we know that there's 6.02 times 10 to the 23rd molecules in 1 mole. So we're going to need that conversion factor. We're also going to need to know how many grams are in 1 mole of H2O. So then I'm going to come down here and I'm going to calculate that. So again, there's 2 hydrogen, so 2 hydrogen, and then I got the molar mass for hydrogen from the periodic table, and 1 oxygen, and I found this molar mass from the periodic table. And I'm going to do my calculations, have it over here, and now I'm going to add them together to find that the molar mass of water is 18.0148. And then when I take into account that here there's only 3 decimal points, then I'm going to change it over here to 18.015, rounding up because this 8 is higher than 5. So now I know that the molecular mass is that 1 mole of H2O is 18.015 grams of H2O. Now I have enough information to be able to solve the problem. I can set it up as 5.0 times 10 to the 24 molecules of H2O, and then I can cancel those 2 out by having the molecules and the molecules. And then I can put mole up here because this is 1, right? Like 1 mole is equal to 6.02 times 10 to the 23rd. Then I can put mole down here, and 1 mole of water is equal to 18.015 gram of H2O. So here I'm really just multiplying this number by 1, and then I'm multiplying it by 1 again because these 2 are equal to each other and these 2 are equal to each other. Then I can multiply all the top by each other, multiply all the bottom by each other, divide, and I'm going to find that it's 149.6 grams of H2O. However, I need to go back to the beginning and see how many significant figures I started out with and see how many I had throughout. And I'm going to see that I only had 2 significant figures. So my final answer is going to be 150 grams of H2O.